BCB Kicks here, and today we have a sneaker unboxing slash review. Today we're gonna be unboxing two pairs of Jordans, really one pair, just two different colorways. And I'm not gonna lie, I took a little peek at one pair. I didn't look at the other pair. I was blown away. I was shook. I honestly was super excited, and I couldn't contain myself. So I have one shoe that I haven't seen, and I'm saving that for y'all. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. All right, we have the two boxes in front of me, and if you don't know by now by the title of the video, we are unboxing the Jordan Trunner, the new, I guess, variation of it this year, and we've seen a lot of promo for this leading up to the actual release, with Jalen Hurts wearing the shoes, as well as a couple other coaches and Jordan athletes, and these are really exciting. So I have two colorways for you, the first one being the light Orwood brown and Ridge Rock. And then I have the other one, which I haven't seen, the black on black anthracite. So let's get into the first shoe. This one to the side. Before we get into the shoe, we have a Jordan box that's very glossy. Black box with a red Jumpman. Kind of reminds me of that old school Jordan box with this on the side as well. The Jordan branding spelled out in the circles, as well as on the lid. This pair is a size 12, as you all can see, which is my size. And we're gonna open this up. Right away when we open this up, we're met with a, I guess, schematic of how the shoes were thought out and designed. It includes kind of like a thing, like it's on a sticker on the top of the box for those who would like to read it. Matter of fact, I'll read it for you. Versatility, breathable and flexible mesh textiles, juxtaposed with soft touch suede and molded TPU plastic. Distinction, modern silhouette borrowing inspiration from 1990s basketball and 2000s Jordan Trunners. Easy on, easy off, flexible comfort, collar, and padded tongue construction for effortless everyday wear. Last but not least, the ride. Cushlon 3.0 foam construction for all day underfoot comfort. Sculpted foam is designed to compress for a smooth ride. And I won't lie, I tried on one shoe already and they are not lying. This is a very comfortable shoe. But without further ado, we have the shoe right here, the Jordan Trunner in the Orwood brown color. So this shoe is really exciting because the first time I saw it, I was really excited about it. I was like, finally, Jordan is going back to kind of like a lifestyle shoe design where I could just wear these and throw these on with anything, more so than just a retro. And I knew these were gonna be more comfortable because they were built for lifestyle wear, more so than Jordan's, you know, basketball technically. Just looking at this shoe, it's super nice. It has the mesh on the toe. It has a good premium suede along with I believe this is 3M along the edge of it and on this part right here on the toe. And then wrapped around this little plastic like piece with the rope laces, and on the back we have this gray like cushioned like padding thing, and it has a Jumpman on it. So on the uppers, I'm really excited just to like get these in my rotation. I will say it's not like the lightest shoe. It's a little bit towards like midweight to heavyweight, definitely leaning more towards midweight. Traction looks pretty smooth as well. Not too much going on just because it is, like I said, a lifestyle shoe, so it's not gonna be tractioned up like a basketball shoe or anything like that. The inside is brown as well. Sock liner and insole with a white Jumpman on the inside, as you all can see. This shoe is super exciting. I'm just so hyped to wear the shoe. Like, y'all don't understand. I was geeking when I first opened it, and like, I'm kind of mad that I didn't get that on camera. Good thing is I have the other pair next to me. So let's take the other one out of the box. I like how they have the box too. They have padding to protect them, like with the foam. You put them in there. This is the other shoe. Oh, the other shoe has a different text in it. Has a Jumpman in one, and then it has Jordan actually spelled out in the other. I thought these would have came with an extra set of laces, but they don't. I actually got these from Nike, and I had a birthday coupon. So retail is $115. I think with the 10% off, I ended up paying like 90 something a pair. So it's not bad at all. Definitely affordable considering what they've been charging for the retros as of recent. So I'd honestly say this is a breath of fresh air. It's a nice shoe design. Very comfortable. I'd almost compare this to an upgraded P6000. I've never owned a pair of Vomeros, so I couldn't really tell you all there, but these are extremely comfortable. If you like the P6000s, I would definitely say these are way better on cushioning. It honestly feels like your foot is locking into the shoe, and it like surrounds your heel cup, but also like keeps you stable. and it feels like you're just sinking in a pillow with every step. So it's crazy, it's crazy. I highly recommend. I have a wider foot as well, and if these were comfortable to me, I'm pretty sure anybody with wide feet would find these comfortable as well. They're not too crazy. Well, I will say my feet aren't like insanely wide, but they're you know, they're a little wider than usual. They're definitely not narrow. But let's move on. Let's put these to the side and open up the next pair. So now that we have the first pair out of the way, it's time to open the second box. Same design on the box as the previous one. Only difference is the actual text, obviously showing a different colorway. Let's open it up. It's my first reaction. Same thing on the inside as well with the label. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, wow. Oh, these are kind of tough. These almost give like Black Cat. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow. The thing is, I have to return one pair, so I don't know which one I'm gonna keep yet, but they're making it tough. These are both very nice. Oh my. All right, let's take out the other pair. Same thing. Pretty much everything is all blacked out on this pair, and on the inside it has the one Jumpman, then on the other insole it has Jordan basically spelled out. These are super sleek. Like, you just cannot go wrong with an all black shoe. You just cannot go wrong. So I'll show you all kind of like what we're working with. The shoe looks very, very good. Has a lot of those same elements as the other shoe. This one's more subtle and more matted. Instead of it being kind of like glossy, like I said, it's more matted on this back, especially on the little cushioning. But outside of that, yeah, these are tough, man. These are so tough. Let me know in the comments down below which colorway you all are rocking with the most. I really don't even know. Like, I don't want to keep both because I know I can't really wear both. I mean, I can, but just one of those things. Do I really need two pairs of these? Probably not, but dang, they're making it tough, man. Altogether on these, I think I paid like $222 or $224 after tax. I mean, I'm getting two pairs for the price of one. That's not too bad. This is very, very nice on Jordan's part. I'm glad they released something like this. I'd honestly hop on before they get hot. It's a very comfortable shoe and they're stylish. I could see myself pulling out fits with these for sure. And I actually plan on doing an on foot on these for you all coming up, so stay tuned for that. But as you all can see, these things are ridiculous. Let's get a side by side with the other one. It's just a contrast. These are more creamy with the browns, and this is just straight up black. If you all are looking to pick these up, I would definitely do so. I'm sure they're available on Nike still, but if they're not, I'm sure they'll do a restock on them. But they have 4 different colorways, I believe. They had a red pair, a pink looking pair, and then these two on the website. But I did see other retailers, they had the brown pair with like the, I believe it was like a purple-ish on the mesh or something like that. But this by far is my favorite colorway of the shoe, just because this is what I saw first. And I feel like it's gonna be versatile. I mean, the black works too, but I feel like you really can't go wrong ever with the white shoe. Only pain issue that I think I would run into with this white pair is the fact that I'm definitely gonna have to clean them, and it's gonna be a little tough to keep them clean, but BCB kicks. So we clean them up, and if you all have any pairs you all need cleaned, we do take out-of-state orders, or if you're in the Illinois area, come by. Without further ado, let's get this sneaker review wrapped up and actually do the on foot. So I'm gonna be showing you all what each shoe looks like, and I hope you all enjoy. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much a wrap on this review on the Jordan Trunner of 2025. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Some people walked by. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. And of course, let me know if you like these type of videos, and I might do some more in the future. But like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.